Hello, and thank you for joining me today. My name is Caitlin Stathis, and I work for the County of San Diego. As a result of COVID-19, we have received orders to stay home and shelter in place. This means that we have spent less time outdoors and with others, so taking time for ourselves is really important. These how-to videos have been created to equip you with resources for how to use different mobile applications. Daily Workouts is a free, convenient at-home workout app which allows you to access simple and effective exercises. Today I'm going to walk you through how to use Daily Workouts in just a couple steps.
Before we get started, I just want to give you a moment to pause if you want to follow along on your own device, or if you'd like to grab a pen and paper to take notes. Feel free to pause at any time during the video if you need to, and go at your own pace. Lastly, throughout this presentation, you may hear me refer to these applications as apps. App is just a shorthand way of saying application. Today we'll be using the Daily Workouts application. You can download the app from the Google Play Store if you're an Android user, or from the App Store if you're an iPhone or iPad user. Once you have opened either of the Google Play or the App Store, search for Daily Workouts app and install in your device. After it is finished installing, tap the button labeled Open to begin using the app. Right when you open the app, as you can see on the left screen, you may see an advertisement pop up. All you have to do is click the Continue the App button in the upper right-hand corner to take you to the app's home screen. The screen on the right is where you'll see different types of workouts that you can choose from. Each of them have the same process, so for today we're going to use the ab workout. Looking at the screen on the left, you'll see options for different times. This is where you decide the duration of your workout. Next, you'll see the numbers 1 and 2. These are two levels you can choose from with the free version of the app. Looking at the screen on the right, you'll see the number 3, a shuffle symbol, and a wrench. These are all buttons that only work if you pay to upgrade the app. Looking at the bottom of the screen on the left, you'll see white icons that look like the cover of the Daily Workout app. If you click on this, it will take you to the screen on the right. Here you can read information about the additional apps and versions of the apps that you can download. Next, click the Done button in the upper left-hand corner to go back to the previous page. Again, looking at the bottom of the screen on the left, you'll see the I for information. Clicking on that will take you to the information page on the right. Here you can read about the app and written out instructions of how to use the app. Once again, click the Done button that will appear on the upper left-hand corner to go to the previous page. The next page we're going to look at is the Settings page. If you click on the Settings button at the right bottom corner of the screen on the left, it'll take you to the screen on the right. Here you can do a handful of things. You can do things like turn the sound for the workouts on or off, change the start chime sound, which lets you know when the workouts are starting, adjust your rest times, and turn text instructions on or off. Next, you can adjust your weight, gender, and age in order for the app to more accurately tell you how many calories you're burning during a workout. Lastly, the bottom section is where you can adjust days and times to set a reminder to work out. By doing this, your phone will show you a notification to set a day and time to remind you to work out. Once again, click the Done button in the upper left-hand corner to go to the previous page. Now let's see how to start the workout. Click the play button in the center of the page and it'll take you to the page on the right. There are a few things to recognize on this page. First, you'll notice a countdown in the upper left-hand corner. This will prompt you when to start and it'll count down 30 seconds during each exercise. Next, the home button. This will, as expected, take you back to the home screen. After that, you'll see 1 out of 10. This shows you what exercise you are on out of 10. Moving down the page, you can pause, fast forward, or rewind the workout whenever you want. Last but not least, there will be written instructions on how to do each move at the bottom of the page. Follow these instructions for the perfect form to prevent injury and enjoy your workout.
Thank you for joining me today. Below this YouTube video in the description box, you'll find a link for the DailyWorks website for additional information, how to contact the County of San Diego if you have further questions about this specific training, and links to access our other YouTube video trainings. These videos were created to advance the Live Well San Diego vision for a region that is building better health, living safely, and thriving. Thank you, and continue to live well, San Diego.